Good morning. Today your first online lecture, mathematics. First I introduce myself. I am Sanjay Shirke, teaching you this year mathematics. See, before starting the lecture, I announce we have to make 200 page notebook for your classwork and homework together. You have to make a two part and 100-page notebook for exercise. Okay, children. First, you recall before starting the chapter 1 what you learned up to now. 1, 2, 3 dash are called a natural number. 1, 2, 3 dash are called a natural number. It is also called counting number and that is indicated by letter N. Then we studied about the whole number. 0, 1, 2, 3 dash are called whole numbers. It is a set of a 0 and natural number. Other way you can say 0 and positive number. Then we studied further integer. Dash minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 dash are called an integer. It is a set of a 0 natural number positive, opposite of a natural number negative. Other way you can say 0 negative number and positive number. See, integer indicated letter I. Children, we are having the fraction. Two upon 3, 4 upon 3, that is the vulgar fraction. 0.2, 0.5, these are decimal fraction. And children, we can say all integer and fraction known as a rational number. That is our first chapter, rational and irrational number. Now, we concern what is a rational number. See, a rational number, the number of form m upon n are called a rational number. The numbers of the form of m upon n called a rational number. I repeat again, why? Because here m and n are integer, but n is not a non-zero. We have also seen that there are infinite rational number between the any two rational numbers. See, a rational number, other way you can say all integer and fraction are known as a rational number. See, there is an infinite number of the rational number between the two rational numbers. Now see, here some example is given: minus 25 upon 3, 10 upon minus 7, minus 4, 0, 3, 8, 22 by 3, 67 by 5, so many examples etc. Now we start how to draw number line. Just see, here given, this is a number line, 0 origin, right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are number and point A, B, C, D, E are point. Point is indicated in form of a letter and number. When we go to the left side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash. That is the point. See, children, now we studied, use this and now start our practice set 1.1. Now the first example is there, 3 upon 2, 5 upon 2, minus 3 upon 2, that you have to write, plot on a number line, you have to show on a number line. Children, you know that. How to draw number line? Just see, we just say this is our number line. 0 is origin. Here 0 is origin, 1, 2, 3 on right side positive number, -1, -2 and -3 on negative left side of 0. What is given? Concerned children here, the first is given 3 upon 2. If I divide 3 by 2, I got 1 upon 2. This I can write 1 plus half in this form. Means when you divide 2 by 3, 2 ones are 2, 1 left 0.5, means 1 and a half. Similarly, 5 upon 2, I can write 2 1 upon 2. This I can write 2 plus 1 upon 2. Children, concern 3 upon 2. This is nothing but -1 plus 1 upon 2. See here. Now you have to plot that point on this number line. How to plot? Just see. 3 upon 2. What is the denominator? 2 is here. What to do? You have to make two part of each. Why 2? Because the denominator 2. You have to make two part of this. Suppose instead of 2 there are 3, then you have to make 3 part. Suppose there are 5, then you have to make 5 part. See, what is the first point you have to plot? 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2 means 1 and half after that. 1 positive 0 per right side of the 0, 1 after that 1 means 1 and half. I can write here 3 by 2. This is your first point you plotted on number line. When you consider the 5 upon 2, what is seen here? 2 and half. 2 and half means here after 2 children, after 2 half, between 2 and 3, I can write here 5 upon 2. See, both are positive. That's why your right is right side of 0. When you consider the negative, -3 upon 2, how you can write? See, it may be the left side of -1 with half this side. You go there, you mark here -3 upon 2. आता बघा तुम्ही, आपण काय केलं इथं? डिनॉमिनेटर 2 आहे. डिनॉमिनेटर 2 असल्यामुळे याचे 2 पार्ट केले. 0 1 2 पार्ट केले. समजा डिनॉमिनेटर 3 असतं तर 3 पार्ट केले असेल. डिनॉमिनेटर 4 असतं 4 पार्ट केले असेल. डिनॉमिनेटर 5 असतं तर 5 पार्ट केले असेल. ओके, आता 3 अपॉन 2 म्हणजे किती? 1.5. 1 प्लस हाफ, म्हणून एकानंतर अर्धा पुढे. इथे हा आपला हा पॉईंट आला. 1 आणि 2च्या मध्ये हा पॉईंट आपला आला 3 अपॉन 2. 5.5 म्हणजे काय आलं? म्हणजे 5 upon 2 means 2 and half. After 2 and in between 2 and 3, the point is here, children, between 2 and 3, you got this point, 5 upon 2. But here, 3 upon 2 is a negative. The left side of this, between -1 and 2, here. This way, you plotted this number. We concern one more sum. For your revision purpose, see what the sum is given: -5 upon 8 and 11 upon 8. -5 upon 8 and 11 upon 8. Now again you have to draw the number line. You draw the number line. Similarly, this is your number line. 0 is the origin. Right side positive, 1 2, left side negative. Children, -5 upon 2. Now here denominator more than numerator. Concern plus -5 upon 8. Here denominator more than numerator. Then what to do? It is always between 0 and 1, but negative side. This number always between 0 and -1. Minus. And concern is 11 upon is a less than 0. 11 upon 8, it is a nothing but you 8 to the 16 in between 1 and 2. In between 1 and 2, it is greater than 0, 1 and 2. I can write here somewhere, I can write 11 upon 8. This is our sum. This way we are plotting point on a number line. This is the first part. म्हणजे आपण काय केलं, -5/8 मध्ये 8 हा न्यूमरेटरपेक्षा मोठा आहे. If denominator more, that is always less than 1. Negative, that's why between 0 and -1. Suppose instead of negative, if write positive, then we have to write 0 and 1. But if the negative, doesn't matter between 0 and -1. Similarly, 11 upon 8, that is greater than 0 and between 1 and 2. Just okay, children. We'll do the next sum. Number line is given, and here we have to answer. Observe the number line 0, 1, 2, 3. Positive number on right side, -1, -2, -3. Negative number on left side. The point is given here. Here certain point is given. We have to answer the following. Now I told you A, B, E, O, F, C, D are point. In letter forms called point. And following these are the number. The first question is here, number indicated by point B. See P. Before find out the point C. How many part we made here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 part. We made 4 part. Each of part we make a 4 part. Means our denominator may be 4. Now we consider here, children, B after -2. First we have to write -2. After B, how many places here? 1 and 2. This is your point B. 1 and 2. I can write 2 by 4. This is our answer, first answer. Now children, point indicated in number 1, 3/4 is what? 1 here. 3/4 means after 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, C. This is our answer. This is our answer. Then I can write here our answer C. C is a point with indicated number 1, 3/4. Now the third question asks, the point D denoted the number 5/2. We know that we are already make a 4 part. Means denominator always 4. म्हणजे डिनॉमिनेटर आपला काय पाहिजे? 4 पाहिजे, 4 पाहिजे, 2 नाही पाहिजे. मग डी ची व्हॅल्यू काय असेल? आफ्टर 2, 1, 2. डी किती पाहिजे? 2, 2/4. But here given 5/2. Answer false. Answer false. पुन्हा एकदा आपण हे रिवाइज करूया. ही नंबर लाईन दिली, हे ऑब्झर्व करायचे, आपल्याला त्याचे आन्सर द्यायचे. जे लेटर असतात त्याला आपण पॉईंट म्हणतो आणि खाली नंबर असतात. या नंबर लाईनचे आपण प्रत्येकाचे 4-4 पार्ट केले म्हणजे आपला डिनॉमिनेटर किती असणार आहे? 4. नंबर इंडिकेटेड बाय द पॉईंट बी. बी इथे -2च्या पुढे 1, 2. -2, 2/4. अँड पॉईंट इंडिकेटेड द नंबर 1, 3/4. हा 1च्या पुढे 1, 2, 3. पण हा पॉईंट कोणता आहे? सी आहे. म्हणजे पॉईंट म्हणून सी घेतला, सी अक्षरात घेतला आहे आणि हा आपला नंबर आहे. म्हणजे हा नंबर कोणता पॉईंट दाखवतो? सी दाखवतो. आणि नंतर विचारलं तर डी डिनोट द नंबर ऑफ 5/2 फॉल्स आहे. कारण डिनोमिनेटर किती पाहिजे? 4 पाहिजे. मग याचा आन्सर किती पाहिजे? डी 2/4. सी children, this way you have completed the first exercise 1.5. 1. What to do for your homework? For homework, you have to complete throughout the exercise, write in your notebook, and when or you are back school, that time I will check. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.